Hello guys, today I will show you how to replace an old Airmatic compressor on a GL350. It can be applicable for ML350, GL450, 550, everything compressor on the same location. So it's a very easy process. You just have to jack up your car. You don't have to lift all the top. Just jack up your car a little bit so that it has a support. You can see this new compressor. I got it from Amazon. It's just $160, $170, Chinese version. So all you have to do is jack your car up and just stabilize it properly. You don't have to remove the wheels, and remove the wheel cover which is on the top of the wheel well. The plastic cover, it is attached to the bumper and the top, and removing that cover is very easy. There are these plastic tabs, if you can see. Just pull these tabs up and you can remove this lock. And there are 3 locks on the side, and there is 2 bolts underneath the bumper, and but one was broken and one is the simple bolt. So once you remove this wheel cover, you will have you can see that this is a new compressor which I already changed, but I'm just giving you an overview how to change it. So that was a new compressor. This is the air line which goes to the Airmatic this filter. This is an air filter. You don't have to remove the air filter anything. If you are changing the air compressor, just try to change the air filter as well as the air tube. There are 3 bolts, 2 bolts you can see in the front side, and 1 bolt you can get an access from under the car. And this is the Airmatic valve which controls the Airmatic suspension. So I have removed the splash guard underneath. So once you remove the splash guard, will be access to the 3rd bolt. So this is where you can see this first bolt, and there are 2 bolts more which I showed you earlier, the 2 bolts. Just have to remove these 3 bolts and remove this air line. Just remove the splash guard, and so you can see the splash guard on, and remove this air line. And there are 2 connectors. These 2 connectors you just have to, it's a click connector. You just have to press on the tab and just pull it out. So you just have to remove this 3 bolts, airline, and 2 connectors. That's it. And you just pull out this air compressor down and replace it with a new compressor. So this was very easy, guys. You can do it at your home. You don't have to lift the car. You don't have to remove the tires or anything. If your compressor is working properly, you can just but it takes time to fill up the tank. You can just lift the car by raising the height of the vehicle by clicking on the button, and just raise the car, but add jack underneath the car, just because when you remove this airline, there might be the negative airflow from the airbags, and all the struts may go down. So be careful before going under the car. You just have to jack the car properly, so that if the air leaks from the airbag, at least the car is stable on the jacks. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.